All right, here's another worksheet today with prepositions and prepositional phrases for Moonwalk. It says, read the passage, then read each question. Circle the letter of the correct answer. Space project. So I'm going to read this, and then I have to read the questions to see what I need to change. Do you want to do a space project of me? I want to learn more which the moon. NASA has a good site behind the internet. Let's go beneath the library this afternoon. People once thought there was life on the moon. The moon's climate is too harsh for living things. No creature could survive for those conditions. All right, so as I was reading that, I'm hoping you heard quite a few errors. So let's see if we can fix them. Number one, what change, if any, should be made in sentence one? Let's read sentence one. Here's the one. Do you want to do a space project of me? So of we know is wrong. So what should we change of to? Should we change it at to act, from, or with? Do you want to do a space project at me? Do you want to do a space project from me? Do you want to do a space project with me? Or should we leave it alone? And I'm guessing most of you pick C, so I'm going to click where it says type here. I'm going to erase that. I'm going to click C, then I'm going to put a space. I'm going to write the word with. All right, number two. What change, if any, should be made in sentence two? So let's look at sentence two. I want to learn more which the moon. Well, we have to change which. Should we say about the moon, for the moon, between the moon, or make no change? And I think most of you realize that the answer would be A, and I'll write which. Not which. I'm going to write about. I'm changing which to about. So it will say, I want to learn more about the moon. And so we picked A, and that would be about. Number three, what change, if any, should be made in sentence number three? So let's read sentence number three, and it says, NASA has a good site behind the internet. So we should be changed behind to at the internet, or on the internet. And most of you realize that it should be on, and that it's answer C. So I'll put the letter C and then the word on. Number four, what change, if any, should be made in sentence four? So let's read sentence four. Let's go beneath that library this afternoon. Beneath. So we're going to change beneath to the word to the library, at the library, or on the library. And I think what makes sense would be changing beneath the library to the word to, and that would be answer A. Number five, what change, if any, should be made in sentence seven? So we read sentence seven. It says, no creature could survive for those conditions. So we're going to change for to under those conditions, of those conditions, or at those conditions. So we could say, no creature could survive at those conditions. No creature could survive of those conditions. No creature could survive under those conditions. I think either one, at or under, would make sense, but I'm going to pick under. No creature could survive under those conditions, and that would be A. But if you picked at those conditions, I believe that that would be correct too. All right, great job.